Se você quer ser feliz, basta acreditar que existe o Natal.
E que o Natal é bem mais do que Papai Noel e presentes também.
Há 2000 anos atrás, nasceu Jesus em Belém,
Trazendo ao mundo perdão,
nos religando ao Pai. Se você quer ser feliz, basta acreditar que Jesus é o Natal. To be as happy as me, you just have to believe that your Christmas will be
much more than hanging your socks, than write to Santa Claus and just wait for the gift.
2,000 years ago, Jesus the Savior was born,
Bringing His love to this world,
gifting us all with His peace. To be as happy as me, it's so easy, you see. You just have to believe.
you just